Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you one of the most important concept in Flutter, that is called as isolates. So some of the developers don't know about this concept, so this video might be helpful to them. So for that, don't skip the video. Please try to watch entire video, otherwise you are unable to understand. Before going to practical implementation, I have to explain you in theoretical way. So for that, I written one documentation. So I'm opening the documentation here. Okay, so here are few points, 3 points I added. What is the purpose of isolates, why we are using, what it will do. So those 3 points I added here. So by using isolates, we'll perform heavy load multiple functionality parallelly in Flutter. It means, for example, we will able to handle multiple functionalities at a time by using the isolates. And also, the isolates will create separate thread for each functionality, not depend on main thread. So what it will do, it will create separate thread for each function. It will not depend on main thread. Without isolates, what it will without isolates, if you are not using the isolates, then what it will happen? Each function will depend upon the main thread. Because of that, the main thread will be hang. It means it will be struck. Based upon that, our UI screen will be struck. So for that purpose, we are using the isolates. So isolates will create separate thread. It will not depend upon the main thread. And also third point, UI screen hanging issues and functionality performance issues will be resolved by using isolates. So these are the 3 points. Let's start the practical. So first of all, you have to take one stateful widget, my home page. So after that, take one scaffold. Inside the scaffold, take the body. Inside the body, take one column widget. Inside the column, we add one circular progress widget. Okay, done. Just to give some space, sized box, height 20. After that, take one elevated button, on press, have to be handy, child, start, start, start function, start. Just I am adding the start only. Now, so for the here, you will take one heavy load function, void, otherwise take int heavy load function here. So after that, here int a equal to 0 for int I equal to 0, I less than 100. Initially I'm giving 100. After that, I plus plus, not I plus plus, incrementing the a. After that, so just take void function. We will see how it is coming. Now I am calling this function here. So let's run this one and check how it is coming. Okay, our application is launched, but I have to add in this one center. For that, I'm adding main axis minimum size. Good. Let's run the code. Okay. So now if you see here, one our progress is coming, it is rotating, and also one elevator button is there, start. So when I click on this button, this function will be called. This function will be called. Let's see, the screen is hanging or not. It will not be hang because I will be 100 now. I less than 100 times it is rotating. If we are adding greater than 1 lakh, then only it will be hang. So first of all, we will see the performance here. I am clicking on the start button. See, I clicked on the start button, but our screen is not hanging. Okay, so it is not the heavy load function, it is the small function only. So when it will become heavy load function means if I increment the this 100 to this integer to like this, now it will be hang. Let's see. So it's run. Okay, now I am clicking on this start button. Will close the application from background and relaunch again. Okay, I am incrementing some of the values. Okay, so let's check. Okay, our application is launched. So yeah, when I clicking on this one, start. See, so when I click on this start, our screen complete screen will be hanged. See, circular progress is also hanged. So in this case, actually this function will come under heavy load. So how to handle this one? By using the isolates. So first of all, we have to create one receiver port, receiver equal to receiver port. Okay, done. After that, add try catch. So inside that, here we will take one async. After that, take a byte. Here take isolate dot span. So here what you have to do, just remove this one, pass our function, heavy load function. After that, what you have to do, receiver dot send port. Okay, done. After we have what we have to do, here we have to take send port. Okay, done. Now remove this one from here. So here after that, receiver dot, we have to print the response what it is coming, response equal to await receiver dot first. Okay, done. Print response. Okay, done. After that, go inside the heavy load function. Here uh, isolate dot exit, have to exit the isolate after completion of the function. Here we have to pass the send port comma, we have to pass some message completed. Completed. Okay, now so let's run this code and check how it is. I think somewhere. Okay, here Let's run this code. Remove the app from background. Run again. So if you see here, our application is launched here. So now I am clicking on the start button. What will happen? We'll see. See, I clicked on the start button, but our screen will not be hang. Uh, the progress also continuously circulating. And again, I am clicking on the start button. What will happen? Nothing. Our screen will not be hang. So like this, we will be able to handle heavy functionalities. We will be able to handle multiple functionalities also here in the screen. Multiple functionalities also at a time by using the isolate here like this. So for this purpose, we are using the isolates. This is the very important concept in Flutter. So if you like the video, please give a like, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and get more upcoming videos from my side.